brand new Corolla Cross. I'm taking that bumper off. And the headlight. But bumper's gotta come first. So let's do the bumper. I don't know about y'all, but that is one big ass opening for a hood. Agreed? Agreed. Do I have to do step by step? No, you could do this yourself. So let's do bolt, bolt, and bolt and see what happens. I'm sure we have to come around. Have to do the same thing like we did in the back. Take these puppies off and see where we go. So just like the back, we have to pull this side out. So you can pull far enough to get this or something similar. I love this one's not as strong as this one. This one you gotta get. Yes, this puppy right here. Link is always in the description. That thing is awesome. And we can get to this one last push pin. But these guys, you see, he's locked into place. You want to get behind this. You see how I gouged into it just to grab it? And that locks this into place. So let's get this little push pin out and go work on the rest. All the same. Center out, center out, center out, push pin. Leave this guppy unplugged. So let's go see what's on the bottom. Mostly all 10 mils. Mostly all 10 mils. So let's get all the 10 mils out. Those in the corner, those 10 mils. Let's get them all out and see if we have to take them all out. I think the corner ones have to come out. Those two can stay. Let's go see. All right. So like I said, corner one definitely has to come out because that's that one right there. This can stay together. This, the rest of the 10 mils have to come off. So let's go get the rest out. So after a handful of 10 mils, maybe just 4 on this side, same thing. You see, they're already starting to come undone. So let's get up off the ground and start pulling. This time I came prepared. The back one just decided to fall on the ground really, really easily. So pulling these guys up, we'll see. Definitely want to unplug this puppy, because that's going to be everything that you want and don't need. Do not turn the car on with that off. Now, let's start pulling. Get this puppy off. I love Toyota clips. You see? She's starting. She's coming. She's gonna fall. Yeah. All right, let's be prepared. How brilliant and clever. We have a guide right here that locks right into Mr. Number 5. So the last puppy, you gotta pull this guy out, and that relieved all the pressure off the bumper. And there you have it. Now let's get the headlight out. Yes! Now that the bumper's out, it should be quite easy. Let's get our gun that we left in a safe space. And which one? Left or right? Left or... I'm close to this one, so I'm gonna take this one off. 110. Clip for the wash. Oh, you took it out. Center comes out. Get up under. Tool like this. I'm telling you. 10. 10. And 10. And you're telling me this whole thing is just like sort of floating right here in the center? I'm only assuming that's a weak spot in the car. But we put them in a safe spot, all 4 of them. So let's see if that's the way that comes out. We're going to unplug this guy and get her out. So with a balancing act, I made it look custom. The headlight's out. So there's no push pin on this side for the washer. So this whole void is just empty. Look at this, empty. Hey man, I think taking cars apart makes me want to know what to buy moving forward. So these bulbs I'll show you, but you don't need to know that. They're all clips. This is alligator. This just pulls out, also alligator. And these all just pull out, push out. So you'll see the new one when you get it in your hands. But let's put it back. Don't mess this up. This is the fine thread side. That's your side. It's fine thread. Do not cross them. Put the rest back. So you took it out, you put it back, You know the drill. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.